Nityandam, my name is Nitya Devi. Pranams to Swamiji first. I'm an entrepreneur from Singapore and we are based in Oman too. And I've done multiple inner awakenings, but never have I experienced the huge blast that we got, that 600 of us got to experience in this Varanasi Shivoham Maye. And one of the greatest takeaways is that I came into this program with an eye power of -4 in one eye and -4.5 in another eye. And now I'm sure it's like so significantly reduced that I probably have 20/20 vision now. And more importantly, with my third eye open, I'm able to read with double blindfold, probably even a triple blindfold. I'm sure that with more practice, it's so fun. It is so much fun that like almost every time I sleep or even wake up, I'm just constantly twisting things and seeing whether they're in the right direction or whether it's in English font or some other font or whatever. Constantly playing. I'm actually 30 years old, but I feel like some 4-year-old kid simply playing with like all the powers given by a very rich father. So. And not only that, I found that my intuition has gotten so extremely sharp. Like, I really want to say that this blindfold reading is one very tiny aspect of third eye awakening. It's one of the most casual side effects of third eye awakening. More than this, it's a huge intuition. Before the other person knows, before the other person talks something, I'm able to predict what they're going to say. There's such a deep level of listening. Whatever solutions I give them, it really hits them and answers them based on what they need to know, not based on what I want to tell them. So I attended the whole 21 days of this program. And in the very beginning, when Swamiji started the third eye awakening process, I was wondering, oh, I'm an adult. Will I be able to see? Because after so many years of like dumping garbage and all inside, children, it's very easy. Those guys are like X-ray machines. They can scan through you, behind you, above you, under you. But I really wondered if I could also do. But now it's very evident, and there's so much confidence in me that has been the greatest blessing of this third eye awakening process. It is unbeatable, unimaginable. If I were you, I would be registering for the July Haridwar Inner Awakening immediately without thinking the second time. Thank you.